Hi everyone, my name is Hala Gaspi, and today my presentation will talk about civil engineering. So what's the engineering? The word engineer is original from Latin, so to start right, it also means invent or create and regulate objects. Civil engineering is also known as the mother of all our engineering, like the really first foundation. It's applied to physical, mathematical, science principle. Civil engineering also deal with design, construction, or any other public work, such as maintaining our structure or anything that relates to our earth. It could be about water system or buildings or anything that relate to our life, and it's even in outer space. So why do we need civil engineering? That is really important to our societies because civil engineers they create, improve, and protect the environment which where we live. They're using the sources out there, technology to develop our life more productive. They also plans, design, oversee the construction, maintain the building structure, construction, to make sure that everything is working. For example, like roads, airport, dam, power plants, even water system. So here's some example. We can see bridge, underwater tunnel, building, and dams. So yeah, we can see that civil engineering is everywhere we go. It's literally everywhere we go. So there's some different type of under civil engineering we can see right here, and I want to talk about discipline of civil engineering. We can see remote sensing, surveying, transportation engineering, architect or construction, environmental engineering. All of the disciplines it relates under civil engineering. First is structural engineering. They design new structures, our habitats, they operate existing structures. They're using the technology, material to control, to renew structural behavior after a period of time. It could be building a bridge, transmission tower, or any specific facilities out there. And here's some example buildings. This is the building on the right is from Dubai, and this is the Golden Gate Bridge in California. The next one is construction engineering. They more about concept and design to make it become more really realities of life. They every project will need to go under estimating the cost. Also, it's consume a lot of hour, labor, and supervision before the construction anything. The construction manager, they have to provide a quality control, ensure the project is complete on time within the budget. Here's some example. Let's see. This picture is about Eiffel Tower. It's show that year by year and step by step how the tower will build. Okay. So next, transportation engineering. Then they more about planning, design, operate any transportations that in our life to help it to go to different destination that we need to go, such as by airplane, boat, road, also by truck or train. So environmental engineering is more about protect, improve our environmental quality. It can be natural or engineered system. They work to protect our human health and well-being. It could be about water, air, land, soils. They taking care of on the wastewater collection on type of populations in the world. So here's some example. The collect the sample, the water sample, or work in the construction. And here is example of the populations. And here's your geotechnical engineering. They check the quality of soil rock before they can use in any construction. Here's some example. Okay, so talk about salary. Engineering is a job that requires very good in technical skill. It takes a lot of effort to become an engineer. So yes, salary could be high. We can see it right here. We can make above 85,000, and the salary range, it could be depend on what kind of engineering you're working on, or what skill do we have, or certification. So here I have example right here. Also, the last topic I want to talk about is certifications. So engineering, it requires skills. So we need to have some certifications that help to develop our job, our project. So here is some example that you can see that what certification that needs for engineer. This could be EIT, or it could be certification. There are multiple certification that's it's really helpful to support our job. And yeah, that's for my presentation today, and thank you for listening.